Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the TNT quest to open the mysterious wall in Pirate Cove in this week's 8th update. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to Pirate Cove Island and then find the NPC, this one, and then just talk to him and then accept the quest. And after that, like this, and after that just open the menu quest like this and then just tap on mysterious cave, and then in here you need to collect 4 TNT like this, and then next let's go collect all the 4 TNTs. Just pay attention to the locations that I'm visiting. First in here, this one, and then next let's go to the here, like under the cave, this one, and then next just go to the near fishmonger like this, just pick it up, and then next just go to the last location over here, just follow my step like this over here like this, and then next just go back to the NPC, and then next just go to the mysterious wall or mysterious cave like this, and then next just tap it and the TNT will automatically explode and break the cave wall like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.